future isn't made, at least I'm still here on this Sunday.
Chris, the world was gorgeous before this, I'm just trying to make it better though. Life ain't a bitch, she's the one, don't you let her go. This is for the better folks holding on to dreams. We don't hear you if you whispering, cause life is but a scream. We do funny things, it's always for attention. That is so that we can raise our babies in a mints and with fancy things. All the cash we see, if I had half that, I'd be happy. See, now I remember the days on the railroad tracks. Mama asked where we would laugh and deter. Was you playing basketball? Yes, we concur. One day I have her wrapped up in fabulous toothpicks, it don't matter, I can swim, I'ma be there in a minute. Know the journey ain't as pretty as the picture in the end, but you can Photoshop it. I had a blast here, you was mad normal, we was mad weird. Last year it was dark, there was mad fear. The light shining now, shit is mad clear.
When I woke up this morning, I looked into the mirror. Things are far from perfect, but the picture's getting